I'm Katelyn. I'm an esthetician at the West BJ location. This is my client Lydia. So I'm just going to kind of walk through a consultation that I would do with clients. One thing that's very important to me is conveying safety during a lash set. I know whenever it comes to getting any work done on your eyes, if you get any redness in the following weeks, you're instantly a little alarmed by it. So I like to put as much to ease as possible while getting started. I typically ask, what brought you in for lash extensions today? The look of them?
Yes, I love how they look. I love how long they last when I take care of them properly. And I just love the feel of them. They're really effortless. And it's nice to just come in and kind of have that calm for a little bit.
Yeah, I do like to know what kind of look you like to see.
I like full and natural. I like to look like a newborn baby. nice and
Yes.
full. They have their lashes. So I'm very into that natural sort of fullness in the lash.
Okay, yeah, so I do like to let the client know. I will keep in mind the kind of look that you want to go for, which some clients are a little bit more specific or have 1,000 photos that they would like to see, but I usually tell them I'll keep that in mind. However, for your first full set, I do like to just follow where you're at in your natural lash growth phase. So that way I'm not adding too much length or weight and causing any premature shedding, which just leads to lousy fills, and you won't be happy with the money that you're investing in me. So